Ever pondered what makes the earth tremble beneath your feet, rattling your world without a moment's notice? Yes, you guessed it right. We're talking about earthquakes. They're not just a shake or a rumble, but a phenomenon that has shaped our planet over billions of years. Fact 1. Earthquakes occur when there's a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust that creates seismic waves. Imagine a bow and arrow. You pull back the string, storing potential energy. When you let go, that energy is suddenly released, sending the arrow flying. That's how earthquakes work, but on a much larger scale. Moving on to fact 2. The focal point of an earthquake, where the energy is released from, is known as the hypocenter. Directly above it, on the Earth's surface, is the epicenter. The closer you are to the epicenter, the stronger the shaking you'll feel. Fact 3. Most earthquakes take place along fault lines, which are cracks in the Earth's surface where tectonic plates meet. The biggest of these is the Pacific Ring of Fire, home to 90% of the world's earthquakes. It's a volatile dance of the Earth's crust that never stops. Now on to fact 4. Despite what you might think, smaller earthquakes are far more common than larger ones. In fact, the Earth experiences hundreds of thousands of them each year that are too small to be felt. But don't be fooled. These tiny tremors are the Earth's way of preventing bigger, more destructive quakes. Finally, fact 5. The deadliest earthquake ever recorded struck in China in the year 1556, claiming approximately 830,000 lives. It's a tragic reminder of the raw power nature holds. So, there you have it. 5 facts about earthquakes. They are a sudden release of energy in the Earth's crust. The focal point of this release is the hypocenter, and above it on the surface is the epicenter. Most earthquakes occur along fault lines, with the Pacific Ring of Fire being the most notorious. Although smaller earthquakes are more common, larger ones have been known to cause immense devastation, like the one in 1556 in China. Earthquakes, although destructive, are a crucial part of the Earth's continual evolution. They remind us that our planet is a living, breathing entity, constantly changing, constantly moving. And while they may shake us, they also shape the world we live in.